You can earn $16 hourly from work at home as a test scorer to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you the website, the way that you just simply go on and apply and work as a test scorer. But definitely that requires some qualification as well. So this is not for everyone, but if you just meet that requirement, you can work as a part-time here online beside your daily work or daily jobs, and you can earn an extra passive money, extra income online just every month without any hassle. So this video is only for them who are just meet these requirements. So simply stay with this video and know more about how these things work, how this system works, so that you can earn a $16 hourly wage very easily. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the site. That I'm going to talking about is called Pearson.com. Yes, Pearson.com is a really good way to evaluate progress of students all around the world, and also educators, practitioners, everyone persons related to education field. They can just use Pearson's service, and you can just evaluate their students. Teacher can evaluate their students, how they're progressing, how they're learning, how they're coping up with the subjects by just getting some tests and analyze those scores, and Pearson is going to provide that. So this is a really good and old website. You can simply go over to this website. You can see that they are working since 1996, and this is really awesome. So they provide testing educational materials, students to meet the level, and they just by this test scores, people are going to know how your education level is. So this is where the make money online comes in, the jobs comes in. So if you just go on right at the bottom, you can see that there is a career sections. If you just click on that, it will load this page. So they are right now asking for various type of positions, but as we can see, we want to work as a test scorer. You can see that they have a remote scorer opportunity right now. So simply just go on to this website and you can just test various scores, and this is needs some requirements. Obviously they require US citizens. Yes, simply if you just live in USA and if you have a bachelor degree on a subject that you want to test, that you want to score that test, you are good fit for them as well. So simply just go on. You can work as your day job, and you can just work it as a part-time. This is work at home opportunity for you. So simply if you have a bachelor degree and you are in a USA residence, you simply go on and apply these jobs. Also, you have to agree on them that you have to spend at least 20 hours per week with them, so that you can just do their jobs and earn a side amount every hour. Is like $16 every hour, so it's all around like $150 per week. So at the end of the month, this is a handsome pocket money besides your daily jobs you can earn from this website. So if you're just interested, if you just click on this learn more and hit apply button, it will load this page. All the requirements and responsibilities are listed here. You just learn more about it and hit the next page button and complete the application process, and they will verify you. They will contact you after your qualifications. If they think you are qualified, you will be notified by email or phone, and you are going to work as a test scorer for them, and you can earn a decent amount of money just beside your daily jobs. You can earn money online. This is a work at home opportunity, not for everyone, but if you have a bachelor degree on a subject that are listed on Pearson, and you can just work as a test scorer, because students on those subjects going to perform their examination, perform their test, and you can get those tests and you can just score them, and you can make like $16 per hour just working with a test scorer with Pearson.com. So simply this is really awesome for those who just need another extra side income, and they can it will add up in no time, and it will add up to their daily jobs. So this is a really good opportunity to earn money online. So if you're liking this video, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos on Money Horn. New videos are going to be uploaded. You can see more all my others videos on Make Money Online. They are already many of them. You just simply go on and just view and watch them and follow them and earn a decent amount of money online. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.